y'all, welcome back, friendly Kajima here. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Kimmari. Kim is a seaweed, Mari is like something rolled. So Kimmari is like a deep-fried seaweed rolls. So probably you tried Kimmari when you were eating Tteokbokki. So if you think about it, then Kimari only has been a supporting role for tteokbokki. So I'm gonna make this Kimari our main character, main dish today. So special day for Kimari. So that's gonna be very fun. Stay tuned. So let's check it out the ingredients. We're gonna use the glass noodle, chives, carrot, and onion for filling. And we will use the Korean frying mix and water for making batter. Sugar, soy sauce, salt and pepper for seasoning, and we definitely need this seaweed. This is for Gimmari, right? Kim, dried seaweed, and cooking oil, please. So we'll stir fry the vegetable and the noodle. So let's just prep the vegetable first. You can cut chives 1-2 centimeters maximum. Then let's do carrots. We just use only half. So the carrots. Then slice the carrots. After slice and julienne the carrots. So julienne the carrot very thinly. And let's do onion. So even the onion, we're just gonna use only half. After vegetable preps, half of working are done, so stay tuned. I showed you a cut dried seaweed, so I'm gonna show you how to cut this. So just fold it in half, another half. So open it, do it another way. You will be able to cut them without scissors or the knife. So when Kim gets soggy, then it's hard to cut it in this way, then you can use the knife or the scissors. So I recommend you just to take it out your Kim when you start to roll it. And I also put this back to the freezer now. So after preheating a pan, add a little oil just to coat. And you can add all the vegetables. You can add a little bit of salt. You don't need to cook it for a long time. If carrot is cooked, everything else is fine. So we can just discontinue. We'll shift the vegetables to the same glass bowl. Then now we're gonna stir fry the noodles. So add some oil into a pan. Put noodles into it. Now you need to have your scissors cut a few times. Stir fry it up. You're gonna see the noodle, it will become transparent when it cooks. You're gonna see that now it became transparent, which means it's cooked. Then we'll mix with the vegetables. At this time, you also can put the soy sauce and the sugar together, and also a little bit of pepper, and mix well. It looks like it's japchae now, so which means if you have any leftover japchae, then you can make this Kimari. Good tip, right? So this is ready. And burn it off. 맛있어. Shall we just finish making chapchae today? This is already delicious, so good. So shift them to a bowl and spread them, just cool it down. I'm just using the natural wind together with the portable fan, so it will just get cool easily. So now we're gonna make batter. So put some frying mix on a plate, maybe 2-3 spoons. Later, we're gonna use this frying mix for coating the Kimmari before frying it. And now let's make a batter. You can add some water, the well. So you just check for the thickness. It should be just like this. So batter and the water, the ratio is like a 1:1. So let's have a kim out of a freezer. One piece of kim. Then you will put a little bit of batter on top of seaweed. Have some noodle and vegetables. Coat Kimari with the frying mix, just a little. So after that, you're gonna just preheat the oil. So just to see whether the oil is ready to use. You can tell it's ready. Dip Kimari into batter. And try to remove excessive batter. Then we can put it into the oil. So we will do only the initial frying. So when it gets just a little golden brown, then you can take them out. Everything is cooked and we don't need to cook it for a long time. So for the initial frying, you can just do it only for 30 seconds. So look at this Kimmari. This is after initial frying. Isn't it beautifully fried? So you can even eat it now, but for the better crispiness, then we will do the second frying. So let's just quickly do a second frying. You can do just about like 10 seconds. Put them on a plate. While you're eating this, you can have the dipping sauce. So how you can make the dipping sauce is soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, water. You can put 1:1:1:1. That's the ratio. Oh my god, this is just super crispy and so yummy. So Kimmari, you'll be the main dish from today. So not anymore second roll just to support tteokbokki. Okay? So don't leave anyone else's life. Kimmari, just do your own thing. The people who got a name Kimmari in Korea, marry Kim, I think they could be very surprised. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed my cooking channel today. So if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. So I'll come back with more nice recipes next time. So hope to see you on my next video. Thank you and 또 만나요.